Replacing the iPhone camera lenses has always been something that's somewhat tricky but totally doable. One of the frequent questions that I've been getting though is how do I replace the camera lens with the frame of the lens if that's been damaged as well? Let me show you how I do that. I've had enough questions about how to replace the camera lens on the back with the frame that I thought I'd show a video on it. I kind of did it a little too late because I've already knocked out the other one, but just for reference, all you need to do is open up the phone, take out the camera, and tap out the old lens frame. It'll split away right on the edge there where it's been tack welded, and then we'll get ourselves a new one. A lot of people will just simply glue them in place like that, but there is an easier way if you have the right tools. Let me show you how I do that. And this is what you need. You need to get yourself a tack welder with the leads there that'll allow you to tack it in place and get a nice mechanical bond instead of trying to glue it in place. Alright, you can see the lens still wants to move around on the inside there. That's totally fine. You just need to find center, and once you found center, you just give it a nice push down and you can tack it in place. Nice and centered. You can see I've got those two tacks already. I'm just going to continue to do that around the border and then we'll be good to go. Place one lead here and the other lead there. Like that. One lead here, one lead here. And there we go. There we go. Nice, solid, flush. No glue, no chance of it just falling out. It's on there nice and solid. That's how you do it. And there we go. All nice, fixed, tight on there. Exactly how it should be. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below if you think that there is a better way. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.